Hello everyone, I am Sister Dolly, medical in charge at St. Joseph's College, Nainital. I welcome all our children back to school after a long gap due to the COVID pandemic. St. Joseph's College, Nainital is taking all the measures and following all SOPs to ensure the safety of our children, which is of utmost importance. Let me assure the parents that we are fully prepared and equipped with all the medical facilities in case of any emergency. Trust us fully and rest assured your children will be very safe in our hands. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. The COVID pandemic is still not over. It has been much more than a health crisis alone. It's been unprecedented social, economic, emotional, psychological crisis, taking a heavy toll on each one's mental and physical well-being, whether here in India or abroad. With the government notification to reopen schools across India, we are also gearing up to welcome our children back to school after a long gap due to the coronavirus pandemic. As we reopen, there are multiple questions, doubts, challenges. What will be the new normal inside the classroom? What SOPs shall be followed to ensure safety of our children? How will social distancing be followed? So on and so forth. With great care and caution, we have decided to reopen SEM, embracing all challenges and questions that come in mind. We are delighted, extremely thrilled and positive with the challenging endeavor and welcome all our students with open arms. Dear parents, we expect your cooperation and concern to be able to meet out this challenging task. Together, hand in hand, we can and we will make SEM a very safe and secure place for your child. This video is an attempt to show you the various steps to be followed when you come to drop your child to school at the boarding, which is equally applicable to one and all. Miss will tell more about it.
For convenience sake, we have divided clearance at 3 counters within the school for 12th and 13th of March. Counter A will be at the main gate. Counter B, the medical counter near the swimming pool. Counter C is accounts counter near the quadrangle. Miss, now could you please tell us stepwise the procedures to be followed on 12th and 13th of March when our boarders will arrive?
Now to begin with, parents, there are 2 sheets uploaded in eCare which you have to go through very carefully. First is a set of instructions for you, right? And second is the information sheet. Now this information sheet is very important. You have to fill up the necessary details here and bring it to the school when you're coming here, right? So the moment you enter the gate, you will be moving to counter A, which is the gate, and the procedures followed there will be told by Miss.
So at the gate, the support staff will sanitize your hands. Second, thermal screening would be done. And what is the next step, Miss, to be followed?
So in the information sheet, there is a gate pass which will be collected at the gate. This will be signed by the teacher on duty. So you need to submit the upper portion of the information sheet at the gate, which will be kept very carefully and safely there. That's it, Miss. Now, at the gate itself, we have our support staff who will be guiding you towards the garage. From the garage, you move towards the swimming pool. Now, at the swimming pool, this is your counter number B, which is the medical clearance counter. Here you will be going through 3 procedures. 1, the COVID accessories check, where you are supposed to wear your mask compulsorily, number 1. Number 2, your oximeter reading will be done. Your oxygen levels will be checked. And number 3, your RT-PCR report of your child, the consent letter has to be submitted to the nurse on duty. Also remember parents, this portion, the medical clearance, is the counter number B. It has to be signed by nurse on duty, and then you proceed towards the entrance, the door of the school. Now once you move there, just remember to leave your luggage at counter number B, where it is fogged, sanitized, carried by our support staff, and you need not worry about your luggage. The moment you move inside the school premise in the quadrangle, this is now you meet counter number C, and this is the accounts clearance counter, where the accounts team will clear all the pending issues, your queries related to fees, etc. Now this is accounts clearance, where the accounts team will verify. This will be okayed. This section will be kept with the accounts department. Now the only slip left is the boarding entry slip with the student, with the child, which he will carry to Mr. Sethi for further procedures and details.
So dear parents, kindly ensure to follow all the SOPs. Thank you.
One more thing before we wind up, dear parents, just remember only 4 persons will be allowed to come inside the school. The driver, the student, the parents. Not to exceed 4. Another important thing, don't forget to bring the RT-PCR report, the consent letter, the information sheet of your child. Information sheet which is already uploaded, please go through it, get a printout and bring it. Right? And also there is a number given, office number, and an email ID where you can confirm your arrival to us so that we can make adequate arrangements. For any doubt and clarification, you can reach out to us on this number. Thank you so much.